using Noodle Tools to make your works cited list. So you log into Noodle Tools using your school email, and then you click here on New Project. I'm going to call this Fix Reference List for Lab. Make sure it's an MLA and advanced. Click Submit. Once it loads, there's other things that we look on here for when we're writing an essay, but right now I just care about sources. So I'm going to click up here on sources. Once it loads here, I'm going to click on new source. And where I'm going, let's see where I'm going. Here's a reference list that's poorly formatted. Here is the link. Let's just copy and paste this into a new tab. And it's kinetic energy, because we did some research on kinetic energy. Makes sense. So let's go back to Noodle Tools. So it has a website, that has a web page, and we paste again the URL, the date of publication. Need to look around for a date. I'm looking. The best I have here is 1996 to 2019. We don't know anything about this particular web page on this site, so I'm going to leave that blank. Most recent day of access will be today. Contributors. Well, the person who wrote this reference list said ND for no date, and they have no author. But we should actually look around a little bit to see if we can find an author. So click on Physics Classroom. Maybe we need to find about this place. About. So I'm just going to scan this. About the author. Physics Classroom was written and developed by Tom Henderson. And it tells us about Tom. So we know the author's name is Tom Henderson. So let's go here. Role author. First name Tom. Last name Henderson. Web page or document title. The title is kinetic energy. That is the title of this page. Name of the website is the Physics Classroom. The Physics Classroom. Publisher of the site. Look for copyright statement. Leave this field blank if publisher's name same as the site. Publisher is the individual who authored. So again, it's going to be Tom. This, leave that blank, and we're going to click Save. Now we have our proper works cited list. Okay, let's do another one. The second one here is also the Physics Classroom. This one is potential energy, but everything else should be about the same. Options, I can actually just copy this. Maybe not. Okay, let's go new source. Website, web page, URL, access today, author, Tom Henderson. This one is potential energy. Name white website still the physics classroom. Leave these blank. And save. Well, that's pretty easy. Now, one issue, once people have done this, some people try and copy and paste this. That is incorrect. What you need to do is, right here, print export. We can export to Word or export to a Google Doc. Many of you will be working in Google Docs, so we'll do that second. First, I want to do Word just to show you. So right now I'm working in Word. Downloads the file, open it, and I need to go back in. Why is Tom Henderson missing there? Maybe because it's the same author. That's kind of cool. Okay, that's new for me. And then I would copy and paste this into here. See how this looks much better than that. So it has the same author, kinetic energy and potential energy. Let us do our third source now, soft schools for air resistance. So we're going to copy and paste the website already done, so it loads quicker for us. And we're going to go into Noodle Tools, and we're going to go new source, website. It's still a web page. Here all goes there. Date of publication. So again, we need to look. It has a general date, but doesn't have a date of publication. Date access. Again, we access today. The role. Okay, let's find out who makes this guy. Quizzes, flashcards, color pages, links, link us maybe? Contact us. Terms of use, privacy policy, and soft schools. That's what we got. Link to a web page, no use. How to set a web page. Interesting. Frequently asked questions, how to cite. So here's an example. This is 2008-13, so it is 6 years out of date. Let's see what else we can come up with. That gives us a reference. Terms of use. Everything seems to be softschools.com and not actual individuals. Let's keep on looking. Privacy policy, webmaster. That's not a person, it's a title. No, and that's all softschools.com. Okay, let's come back here. Contributors, no idea. Web page or document title. This is air resistance formula. Website name of website. Softschool.com. Those two things are the same. Make sure I spelled that right. Softschools.com. We don't have the names of people. That's it. let's get the fourth source. Clicking the link. Love conservation energy. Let's copy and paste that. And let's just kind of start going through this like we did the other ones. New source, website, web page, URL, date. Ah, we have a date right here for this one. Perfect. So this is the year, month, day, we're going to say. Year 2009, month was number 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and day was the 3rd, I think. Yes. We also have the name, Mark E. Tuckerman. Mark E. Tuckerman. Tuckerman? Yes. Web page or document title, Law of Conservation of Energy. Name of website. There's some pictures here that aren't loading. So it appears that this is a New York University, and the teacher's Tuckerman of Advanced Chemistry. This is part of Mark's notes. So let's go here. Sometimes we need to investigate a little bit. Things aren't as obvious. We got the date and the title for this one. And it is New York University. That would be the publisher. CT. The name of the website. Let's go back. We're going to say this is a Tuckerman, so it's a class. Tuckerman is the author, and we're going to say Advanced Chemistry. Let's see if this webpage loads. Yes. So the name of the website would be ChemUA127 Advanced Chemistry 1. Noodle Tools. Publisher, New York University. Contributor, we already have him. And save. Oh, the role, sorry, that is author. Save. Now that we have our 4 sources done, let's do the exports. We're going to export to Word. So we have air-resistant formula, soft schools. We have Henderson, also Henderson, and Tuckerman. And we can copy and paste this there. Also for Google Docs, let's go back. It created a document based on the title I gave it, the project name, and it's also in Google Docs. In the next video, we're going to see how to fix the in-text referencing.